My baby's having you, baby. My baby's having you, baby. It's a good little tree we got here. Heading north on, what is this? Highway 41, Route 41, I don't know what it is. North towards Yosemite. This road's a sweet little treat I wasn't expecting. Had to bust out the camera. Whoa! Oh, yep, look at that. It's giving, hold it! This is in the Sierra National Forest right now. This is a treat. Sierra National Forest. My new favorite forest. Woohoo! Hug that line, baby. Oh, I love it. This is a good morning. I cannot complain about this morning right now. Oh, connect those dots, baby. This is a treat. Oh, hold it. Where are we going? Keep holding it. Whoa, baby. That's a nice turn. Here's another one. We are rising in elevation right now. Ears are popping. Well, this one's tight. Get that knee out. Engage thrusters. Hug it. Oh, yep. We're just hugging it right now. Oh, oh man. Thank you, Sierra Forest. Sierra Mist. Oh man, this is a treat. Yes! Now we're awake. Ah, beautiful. That is a beaut. She's a beaut, Clark. Oh, second and third all day. Let's keep it locked in right here. Oh, I like that, and I like how their turns are a little inclined or declined or whatever the word you want to call it. They guide you a little bit. They have a gradient. That's the word. Oh man, this road, it was a surprise. I love a good surprise in the morning. This is a beautiful Friday morning. Oh, don't get brave now. Whoa, hello. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that. Oh, oh my goodness. Whoa. Oh, that was a turn. Oh, these are tight up here. Second gear, baby. Second gear, Switchback City. It's my favorite city. Look at the map. Look at the map. Ah, nice. Whoa, this is a dream road. Who knew? Sierra Forest. This is a great, great, great morning. Oh, look at this. Look at all these trees. Whoa, 30 coming up here. Mariposa. I don't even know what that means. Get the knee out. Whoa. Hug it. Engage that turn. I'm engaged. I am engaged right now. Wowzer. Whoa, I love it. Yes. Second. Oh, my baby's having you, baby. My baby's having you, baby. Oh, yeah. That's it. Keep it in second. Don't litter is the fine. Oh, look at this turn. Give it to me. Give it to me, Neil. What a treat.